I'm Michael Wheat, the owner of Ponds by Michael Wheat, and sometimes we get asked, how much maintenance is there to do on a swimming pond? Or more importantly, one of our swimming ponds. So let me go through the list of maintenance you would probably need to do with one of our swimming pond projects. One of the things is that we do a lot of work on phosphates. Watch my videos on phosphates, on blanket weed. Okay, so we do a lot of work on that. So we get people to test the water. And what happens is, because of our system, we're generally bringing that phosphate down year after year. Okay, so it's important to test. That's one key thing. The second thing is to obviously keep on top of the maintenance of the equipment, keeping the equipment clean. So that's things like once a year you might need to take the pump out. The filters will need cleaning twice a year. The sponges will need pushing out and cleaning. UVs need changing once a year. Okay, on some of our UVs they want actually changing once every 2 years. Well, electricals case. We need to make sure the air pumps are still working. And then maintenance-wise, kind of it really. I mean, you certainly when we first install the project, it's a bit blanket weed. So it's about getting that blanket weed out and getting it away from the pond, so that we can help. That just helps remove the phosphates. That's generally a job that people will do the first couple of years. It might get a bit on the third year, but generally it should start to come down the longer that you have it. The plants will need trimming back once a year, but that's it. It doesn't need daily maintenance. It doesn't need weekly maintenance. You know, actually, the filter does a great job of removing silt, so that kind of looks after that side of it. The phosphate, bringing the levels down, will get rid of the blanket weeds. That kind of covers that side of it. So ultimately, all you can do is just get in there and swim and enjoy it. There will be some maintenance up front, and a lot of our clients take out a silver package or gold package of maintenance for the first year and 2 years, but after that, they generally find that they can look after them. And ultimately, when I designed this, I kind of designed, you know, the perfect widget, if you like, or the perfect wheel. When I came up with the perfect way of delivering this, it was to make sure the maintenance went less and less, not more and more. So what I was looking at with the marketplace and how people were building them is the maintenance just kept increasing more and more. And my way of doing it was to reduce that completely. So thank you for watching one of our videos. Please like and subscribe. That's what all the kids say, don't they? Obviously, for us as a company, I want to let as many people know as possible that are interested in swimming ponds, what we do and how we do it. I think we have a fabulous way of delivering our projects, and I want more and more people to see it. So hopefully you've enjoyed it. If not, email me at mw@michaelwheat.co.uk and tell me what I can do to improve, because I'm always here to improve. And I look forward to hearing from people. Thank you.